Hello everyone, as all of wants to boost immunity. So today we will see how to boost immunity in most scientific way with Dr. Sachin Nikam.
Hello and welcome. First of all, we will understand what is immunity. Immunity is body's natural defense, which help to fight against harmful pathogens. It prevents entry of pathogen in the body. It recognizes the foreign substances. It destroys the bacteria, viruses and other pathogens. It protects from cancer cells. So, let's see how to boost immunity. First way to boost immunity is exercise. Regular and moderate exercise help your blood cells to regenerate regularly. It increases white cells and boosts the function of natural killer cells. It maintains the levels of inflammatory cytokines and helps to reduce inflammation. So, it helps to decrease the heart diseases, diabetes and some cancers. Exercise keep your weight healthy and fit. Examples of moderate exercise are brisk walking, steady bicycling, jogging, cardio, strength training. Ideally, 30 to 60 minutes of exercise per day boosts the immunity power, which keeps you healthy. Hence, do regular exercise to boost your immunity and for happy healthy life. Second way to boost immunity is diet. Healthy immune system need good nourishment. Fruits and vegetables are good source of vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of dietary fiber which maintain a healthy gut and prevent constipation and other digestive problems. They also contain antioxidants and minerals which improve the health. Dietary fiber improve the gut flora and boost the gut immunity. Milk and milk products also contain vitamins and proteins in large quantity, which improve your immunity power. Let's see what are the natural rich sources of different vitamins. Vitamin A, Vitamin C and Vitamin D. In this way, fruits, vegetables and milk improve nutrition, boost immunity and keeps you healthy. Processed and fried foods are more inflammatory and harmful for immunity, so try to avoid that. And take diet rich in fruits and vegetables for good health. Third is supplements. Many times we take supplements without consulting to doctors. According to the National Institute of Health, there is no evidence to support the use of any supplement to prevent or to treat COVID-19. No evidence that they actually boost immunity to the point where you are better protected against infection and disease. So, take supplements only after consulting to doctors. Fourth way to boost immunity is water. Up to 60% of the human body is water. Water improves your health and well-being. It also promotes a healthy digestion and helps to prevent constipation. It helps to remove toxins from the body, improve circulation and well-being. Water helps to keep your temperature normal, keeps mucous membrane of the lungs and mouth healthy. It helps to create saliva and to boost immunity. So, adults should take 2.5 to 3 liters of water per day if no contraindication. It helps to solve digestive problems, constipation and help to boost immunity. Fifth way to boost immunity is minimize your stress. Stress activates the hypothalamic pituitary axis, which secrete the adrenal hormones, epinephrine, norepinephrine and cortisol. These hormones bind to specific receptors on white cells and have diverse effects on their function. Living under constant stress leads to production of too much stress hormone, and elevated stress hormones have many adverse effects like poor sleep, high blood pressure, loss of libido, premature ejaculation and many more. Let's see how to minimize stress. Have a laugh. Laugh is the best tonic to minimize stress. Do meditation, exercise, yoga, dance on your favorite songs or music, and other mindfulness practices. And minimize your stress for healthy life. Adequate sleep, as Sleep and the circadian system are strong regulator of immunological process. Inadequate sleep causes chronic low-grade inflammation and also affects immunity, which both have detrimental effects on health. Antibody and cells are reduced during periods when you don't get enough sleep. Inadequate sleep is linked to susceptible to illness. As the blue light emitted from your phone, TV and computer may disrupt your circadian rhythm on your body's natural wake-up sleep cycle, which may cause trouble in sleep. Hence, for good sleep, follow sleep hygiene tips, which include sleeping in completely dark room or using sleep mask, and try limiting screen time for an hour before bed. As per National Sleep Foundation, 7 to 8 hours sleep per day is essential for good health. So, take adequate sleep to boost your immunity. And now, last but not the least way to boost immunity is stop smoking and high doses of alcohol consumption, as both directly suppress immune response and affect health adversely.